In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email opt-out in Pipedrive. Adding a clear unsubscribe option to your emails is really important, both for compliance and for keeping your contacts happy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a simple unsubscribe here link directly into your email signature in Pipedrive, so it appears automatically in every message you send from there. First, open Pipedrive and look toward the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile icon. This is usually your initials or a small profile picture. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Personal Preferences. This is where you can control your individual settings, including email options. Once you're in your personal preferences, look for the Email Sync tab and click on it. This section manages how your email connects with Pipedrive and also gives you access to your email signatures. Inside the Email Sync area, find the section for email signatures. You can either create a new one or update one you already use. To create a new one, click the button that says Add Signature. If you already have a signature that you like, click to edit that existing signature instead. Using your existing signature is often easiest, since your unsubscribe link will then appear along with your normal sign-off and contact details. In the signature editor, place your cursor where you'd like the opt-out link to appear. A common spot is at the very bottom of your signature, on its own line, so it's easy to see but doesn't clutter your main message. Type the words unsubscribe here. Keep the wording simple and clear so recipients immediately understand what it does. Next, use your mouse to highlight the unsubscribe here text. With that text selected, click on the link icon in the editor toolbar. This is what lets you turn that plain text into a clickable link. When the link window opens, paste in your external opt-out URL. This should be a page where people can manage their email preferences or confirm that they want to unsubscribe. Double-check that the URL is correct so no one ends up on a broken page. Once it looks good, click Save in the link window to confirm the link. Finally, click Save for the signature itself. From now on, whenever you use that signature in Pipedrive, your contacts will see a clear unsubscribe option at the bottom of your emails.